Hi Toy Tractor Times fans, I wanted to show you the new AGCO FENDT 1000 series tractor and the Challenger 1000 series tractor from SpecCast. These are high detail models that have just been released, and I'm really impressed with the detail that has gone into these models. The FENDT has an open 3-point hitch on the front as well as a 3-point hitch on the back. Then we have the Challenger 1000 series 1050 model. This one is equipped with the front pickup weight with the 3-point hitch, and then it also has a 3-point hitch on the back. Similar cab detail to the green FENDT. It has the hazard lights up front. The Challengers have 1050 on their roof. This is a collector's edition, and we also have our collector's edition FENDT 1050, and 1050 is mounted on the hood. The nice thing about these new models is lots of detail. That hood opens right up for the MAN engine that powers this tractor, and then you also have similar detail on your Challenger models where that MAN engine is inside and this hood picks right up. These tractors are compatible with other SpecCast pieces. We have the Kilbros 1111 grain cart that has been produced by SpecCast, and you can see this hitch area right back here, and you can hook this grain cart right up to the tractor. You can see it does hook right into the hitch of the FENDT 1000. Lots of nice detail, and SpecCast has new FENDT combines coming out in March of 2020. There will be one on single wheels, one on tracks, as well as a dual wheel model that will be released in high detail. These new combines will also have additional accessories such as this new grain head coming out that will go right on to the combines and be a nice match for a harvesting setup like the one that we see here with the FENDT and the grain cart. So lots of new detail coming from SpecCast, and I'll have a full feature looking at these prototype combines of the FENDT Ideal coming up on Toy Tractor Times YouTube. Thanks for checking us out, and you can always join in the discussion of farm toys on ToyTractorTimes.com Toy Talk, where there are thousands of farm toy collectors talking about modeling and collecting. Thank you for watching.